now we're going to assign them a default profile picture. And the way we do that is like this. Put a comment in, profile picture, assignment. I really cannot spell today. And all we're going to do is say profile pic equals, and we're going to pass it the path to the file, the profile picture file we're going to have. Before we do that, we're going to actually create the file. So in your HD docs folder, right here, you're going to go to your website. I'm on my Swirl Feed website one. Ours is called demo in this case. We're going to create a new folder called assets. And this is going to hold, if I just show you my assets one on my completed website, it's going to hold the CSS, which is a styling code, because this is ultimately going to be colored and everything. It's going to hold any fonts we need, any images, anything like that. So we're going to create a folder called images inside there, and it's assets folder. So new folder, images, in there. We're going to create another folder. I think I did profile underscore pics. Yep. New folder, profile underscore pics. You can call these folders whatever you want. Inside there, I then made one called defaults, which is for default profile pictures. Defaults. Because this folder will also contain the uploaded profile pictures too, eventually. So default profile pictures. And this is where the images are going to go for default profile pictures. Now I have a bunch right here. For now, I'm only going to take two. I'll take this one, and I'll take this one. Just two different, the green and the blue one. Okay. So I have like different shades of blue and everything. So so we have those ones. And I'll attach this to the course content so you can download and use these if you want to. Or you can go and find your own or make your own, whatever you want to do. But for now, you can just use these two if you want. Okay. So what we're going to do is head back to our code now. So I'm going to give these the path to the folder we just created. And actually, thinking about it, I should probably change these to a lowercase letters. So I'll change that to a lowercase I just because so there's no issues working with capital letters or anything. So I'll make sure those are lowercase right there. And we'll go back to here, and we'll just write out the path then to those images. So I think it was assets, and it was / images / profile pics. It was profile pics / defaults, and then the file was called assets, images, profile pics, defaults. We'll do this one, deep blue, head underscore deep underscore blue dot png. Okay. And to make it so it's random, at the moment that would just assign that as a profile picture, but we don't want everyone to have the same profile picture, which is why I have a ton of them inside there. It creates a random one for them, so everyone's different. What we'll do for now, we'll just do a random out of 2, but you can do as many as you want. So above that, we'll do $rand equals. Above that, we'll do $rand, like random, equals rand brackets, and we'll say 1, 2. That'll create a random number between 1 and 2. Yeah, I really cannot spell. What's going on? Random number between 1 and 2. Okay. And I could do a switch statement right here, but for now, just keep it simple. I'll just do if statement because we've used them so far. I'll say if rand equals 1, it'll do this. Copy that. And I'll say else if rand is equal to 2, it'll do, let me get the name of that other file we used. It was head underscore emerald. I'll replace that. So if it's 1, it'll do this profile picture. If it's 2, it'll do that one. Okay?